Hi, and welcome to a 5-minute demo of Sage MAS Intelligence, the Excel-based business intelligence module for Sage ERP MAS that gives you immediate insight into real-time information from across your business. More than an FRX replacement, Intelligence offers powerful reporting capabilities to address your needs. Sage ERP MAS Intelligence is accessed from the Start, All Programs, Sage Software, and Sage MAS 90 and 200 Intelligence folder. The various modules and license types are easily dragged onto the MAS 90-200 desktop taskbar for quick access from the desktop. For those of you using Sage ERP MAS 500 Intelligence, these modules and icons are automatically installed into your tree structure down the left-hand side of your desktop. The first things you'll notice about Intelligence are the number of different license types and modules available within the system. What's important to note is that current and new users of Sage ERP MAS 90 and 200 Intelligence on version 4.4 receive a free Report Manager license, and new and current users of Sage ERP MAS 500 version 7.3 will receive 4 free Report Manager licenses. The Report Manager allows you to run real-time reports direct from source and deliver those to an Excel format of your choice. The free option also ships with a number of predefined Excel templates that cater for sales, inventory, financials, purchasing, and dashboards, and we will have a look at these during the overview session in a moment. The Report Manager license allows you to run real-time reports direct from source and deliver those into an Excel format of your choice. Through this license, you can also edit, create, and change your reports upon request. The Report Viewer is your lowest level of license and allows users to still run reports real-time delivered into Excel with the ability to drill down real-time onto those reports. However, they are not able to make changes and edit and update those reports. The Connector module is the most powerful module in the Intelligence Suite as it allows you to support multi-company consolidations. It also gives you the ability to connect to non-MAS databases such as CRM or HR and allows you to create one consolidated view of the truth and pull data from multiple disparate sources into a single Excel workbook. The Security Manager allows you to make sure that only authenticated users run chosen reports, and we have the ability to use the License Manager to interchange license types between users within the organization. Let's go into the Report Manager and show you how you can run your reports real-time from your Sage ERP MAS system. By logging in, we need to choose our company code in order to pull reports directly from that company, bearing in mind that the Report Manager is used for organizing, editing, creating, and managing your reports. The first thing you will notice is the number of report folders on the left-hand side, which are housing your reports that ship directly out of the box with Sage MAS Intelligence, that being your dashboard, financial reports, your inventory reports, your purchasing reports, and sales reports. Over and above what you have there are additional reports being Financial Report Designer reports, which provide a graphical user interface for creating advanced financial statements via a drag-and-drop interface, which we'll look at later in the overview session. We also have multi-company consolidated financial reports, which require the Connector module. For the purpose of this session, we're going to show you the Dashboard report. So by double-clicking on the My Reports folder and selecting the Dashboard Analysis report, we click the Run button, select Available Input Parameters, and what's happening now is we're having our data delivered real-time from our MAS system from a number of modules such as the General Ledger and Sales areas of our system, and delivered into our Excel template upon request in the format of our choice. Once the report is delivered to Excel, it's a completely standalone workbook, and we have the ability now to distribute this report as an Excel workbook to other users who do not have licenses for Sage ERP MAS Intelligence. What we are looking at here is profit and loss figures for the current month year-to-date, our top 5 expenses for the current month and year-to-date, top customers, top and bottom 5 items, top customer types, as well as top 5 and bottom 5 product lines. We can interact with this data in real time by simply selecting one of our chosen top customers, America Business Futures, and drilling down real time into the Sage ERP MAS system to extract information regarding what products our top customer is purchasing. This allows us to do on-the-fly drill down and analysis of our data from within the familiar format of Excel, eliminating the need to run real-time reports from within the Sage ERP MAS system. The MAS Intelligence Report Designer is an Excel add-in that provides the user with a graphical user interface in order to simplify financial reporting and statement creation. In order to run the Financial Report Designer-enabled reports, one would need to purchase the Report Designer module. The interface allows a user to drag and drop columns, rows, and predefined calculations onto their report and have that generated directly into an Excel worksheet within the workbook. The Report Designer caters for common reporting challenges such as column-based reporting, segmented general ledgers, and consolidations. Simply drag and drop relevant requirements onto your report and move them as required before generating a layout directly into Excel. Once delivered into Excel, the user still has the ability to use native Excel to format, manipulate, and present the data in the way they choose. The Report Designer supports multi-levels of grouping within the Excel workbook and allows users to add graphs and other Excel-based requirements upon request. The SalesMaster Customer Sales provides a gross profits analysis report by customer, products, and sales rep. We can quickly select the sales rep in question to analyze their sales results to date, as well as view their sales performance by choosing the drag and drop functionality of the Excel pivot table to add additional information to the report, such as document number, or to summarize the report for easy viewing, all at the click of a button. To compare sales regions, we quickly drag non-required items to leave the total sales and drag the region or division across so that we can compare regional divisional sales side by side. Based on this comparative analysis, it's clear to see that our new sales rep requires additional training if we are going to reap the rewards of our investment in the Eastern Region Division. Thank you for your time. For more information on Sage ERP MAS Intelligence, please visit the Intelligence microsite at www.sagemas.com/LP/SageMass/SMI/index.html or the Sage ERP MAS Intelligence group on the BI community.